A miracle of time. A happy harmony between history and contemporary life. This is the definition Lucio Dalla gave of Matera. A maze of roads and alleys which take you back to Christian crypts. Matera is an inexhaustible source of surprise and inspiration. The bleak charm of the rock, which supports the refined and elegant decorations of the churches. The right contrast tells of Matera and its Sassi. Ancient homes dug in tough and still lived in nowadays.